good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today video is going to be a grocery haul. Right now I'm heading to Sprouts with my dad, so it's going to be more likely. He told me to get a lot of food, so I don't have to keep going out. So when I get to the store, Sprouts, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm getting out of here now. Just leaving Sprouts. Paid about $140 here, but about to head to one more store. I didn't get everything here. Like y'all know, I like to shop around, so about to head to either Fresh Grocer or about to head to Whole Foods. It's whatever one my dad wants to take me to. But glad to have my dad helping. But I know like in the next month, about to get me my own car. Exactly. I'm more like he like.
Get the old car.
That's Richie. Hey Richie.
Hi.
So yeah, about to head to either Fresh Grocer or Whole Foods. We'll see. But this is what we got right now so far. So we got like a big grocery haul going on. Whoa, shopping cart moving. We got like a big grocery haul today. So yeah, when I get to the next grocery store, I'll be back. So now we just got to Whole Foods. Fix my bag. Got to Whole Foods. About to do a little shopping here. When I'm done, I'll let y'all know when I get home. Alright, so now I got everything set up. Ready to show you guys what I got. So the two stores that I went to was Whole Foods and Sprouts. I don't know, I kind of like Sprouts. Small, convenient. The prices is alright. So it's like a farmer's market, but it's like Whole Foods mixed with like a farmer's market. So if you don't have Sprouts, look it up on the internet so you can get an idea what what kind of store it is. But I like the prices. Like what they sell, so I went to Sprouts and I went to Whole Foods. So yeah, let's get into the grocery haul. First thing I want to start with was something that I seen a couple people showing online, and I wanted to try it, but I didn't think Whole Foods would sell it or have it because they're always late with things. But it's this Ben & Jerry's Netflix chill. It's vegan too. So Netflix chill. It's peanut butter with sweet and salty pretzel swirls and fudge brownies. And all that in one. So Netflix and chill. I might try this tonight and watch some Netflix and chill. But yeah. Anyway, next thing we're gonna get to Nadamu's vanilla ice cream. I like this brand. I don't know if y'all guys can see it. Let me get it in here. Got the Nadamu right there. Vanilla ice cream. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get this. Nadamu's. I like this brand. If you ever try this brand, try it out. It's coconut milk, and the coconut is not that strong. For people that don't like coconut because of the strong taste, the aftertaste isn't that strong. So a good coconut milk ice cream base would be Nadamu's. Nadamu. Next we got Mom's Best Cereals. I got this from, and that go-to ice cream I got from Whole Foods. This cereal right here, Mom's Best Cereals. You can see it. I got this from Sprouts. It was on sale. I like it was 2 for $5. So right there, and it's a family size, gluten free. And some of their cereals is partially GMO. This one right here, I think is the only one that's not partially GMO. So if you're conscious about your food being GMO or thing like that, this cereal right here not. It's on here. I was just checking ingredients. Double checking. Next we got Brad's Crunchy Kale. I know for everybody like, you could just made this at home. You could just made it yourself. I know. It's just easier, and there's this flavor I wanted to try called Radical Ranch. Crunchy kale. Tina, she be sauteing kale all the time, or baking it, put it in the oven. So I already know you can. But what we would need to get is, I think it's called an air fryer. To make it like this way, you gotta get it, put it in the air fryer. So for some crunchy kale, invest in the air fryer. More likely I should, since I've been eating this. Kale is great for you. So yeah, you might get an air fryer. And that I got from Whole Foods, right there. Next we got Bob's extra, Bob's Red Mill extra thick roll oats. TJ love oatmeal. Seeing that you're not an oatmeal person, I like oatmeal. I grew up eating oatmeal. My grandma always gave me oatmeal, and I like this brand. They usually not organic, but I don't know, something about this brand. I like this brand. All their products are good. I use their egg replacer. I use their nutritional yeast. We use their cornbread. So everything from like Bob's Red Mill, I'll be using the grits. This time I got the oatmeal. But yeah, TJ loves oatmeal, so we definitely keep that around. Next, we're going to get to some crushed tomatoes. Can, I know people are like, why is can? But they didn't have no other crushed tomatoes. And this is convenient for, you know, Tina, especially after having a baby. Anything that's convenient for her right now at this moment, you know, is a plus. So crushed tomatoes in a can. All you gotta do is, you know, use a can opener. Next, we're gonna get into some Garbanzo Beans, Whole Foods, of course. Tell about the brand 365. Always gotta have some Garbanzo beans. Sure, guys, put that down for you. Garbanzo. Again, I know people are like, yo, but if you don't do the cooking, why do you do the grocery hauls? Because a lot of people, when they do grocery hauls, they'll say the different recipes they do with the different items. I know Tina, she uses Garbanzo beans. She be using it for like making tuna fish with it. So that's one thing you can do. You also follow us on our Instagram, Peace Love Vegan 420, as well as our Facebook for different recipes for items that we do have. So I might not go into full detail in the grocery haul, but I'll do the shopping. And all the items that we do get, we definitely show y'all what we use it for on other videos and, you know, on our page. And that's better that way, so we can be more specific with the items instead of rushing through it like, oh, Garbanzo beans, I'm not got time for all that. So, you know, I'll just show y'all what I get. Just keep moving for different recipes and things like that. You can just follow us. Next, we got some fruit. Blueberries, you know, like strawberries. We got some corn. Corn's not that good for you, but you do have to get corn. Get some organic corn. Let me show you. Corn not that good for you, but this organic. So we got some organic strawberries as well. Then we got some blueberries. We got some pineapple chunks. My favorite thing is mangoes. You know, mango is definitely good for your digestive system. I'm not gonna go all the details with fruits, but you know, I'm being specific with mangoes because it's my fruit. So, you know, you need a fruit that's good for your gut. Mangoes. Another thing while I'm standing up, I'm gonna get this Louisville vegan jerky. So, the newly transitioning, you're looking for like if you used to eating like jerk, whatever, chicken like this. I never ate meat, so that's why I can't really like. I never ate this before. Just the only time I ever ate it was vegan. So if you know y'all ate this before, it's like, I guess it's like meat, like jerk chicken. Comment below. I'm not the meat eater. So, but they're good. I love it. If meat tastes like this, then yeah. But anyhow, I like it. I don't care if it do taste like meat. I like the flavor of it, so that's all. That's what's important. Not about. I mean, what you're eating is important as well, but at the end of the day, it doesn't have to have a chicken taste, because chicken don't really have a taste. It's all about the seasoning, what you season it with. So if you know how to season your food, know how to cook, you can make anything taste good. It's all about just seasoning. So next, my ramen noodles. Top ramen is bad for you. You know, if you grew up in the urban areas, in the hood, then you know what I'm talking about. It's probably ramen noodles and things like that. But with Top Ramen, this is a better brand for those who are transitioning. They were on sale. If you don't know why Top Ramen or Oodle Noodles is not good for you, just YouTube it. see what different people do with oodle noodles. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Next, we got some seaweed chips. All the kids from TJ, they rather have these seaweed chips over regular chips. Now I'll make a video to show y'all. You gotta believe me. I'll make a video to show y'all. I get some candy. Now I might go that far, but that was a candy because you know sugar. But I get them any other type of chip, and then show them seaweed chips. And they gonna be, I want seaweed. I want seaweed. So that's that. My first time eating seaweed chips when I transitioned to being vegan, I wasn't really like, I didn't really like it, but y'all know the process. Those who are already vegan, you know your taste buds changes over time, just like everything with your body, your stomach, your mind, everything changes when you transition. So initially I didn't like seaweed chips, but you know after a while I started eating. I snacked on them too. Got some green beans right here. Got the green beans. Sourdough bread. Again, everything for the most part we got. It's processed obviously, it's in package, but it has its benefits for it. Even sourdough bread. You know, for those who don't know what sourdough bread is good for, or just sourdough in itself, what it's like, the benefits of it. You know, YouTube it, Google it. Or at the end of the day, we'll just, I'll make a post on my Instagram just about sourdough and show y'all the benefits of sourdough bread. So if you're interested in knowing without having to research and just getting it from us, you know, comment below. I could do it. That's what I'm here for. Like I said, I don't want to get into details. I just want to show y'all the haul. Keep it moving. If y'all want to see anything else, you know, y'all watch another video. Next, we got some 40 pepper blend. Pepper, make it easy. You know, I got some bowl of produce right here, but to make it pretty easy for Tina. Frozen peppers, make it at 10 minutes. So she's making like a thing again, she to cook, but I know she be using it for like a stir fry, or when she be putting it in like especially when she be making like our tacos and like burritos and things like that, she be using peppers. But yeah, she does the videos at everybody. I mean, she does the recipes, she does the meals, things like that. Next, we got some pizza crust. I usually Tina make it from scratch, but again, I be trying to help her out. Make it easier for her. So I got this one right here. We're gonna get into the bowl, fruits and vegetables. Like they said, the kids got me singing that song on Peppa Pig. Y'all got kids, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. Mr. Potato. Like, fruits and vegetables keep us alive. Always remember to eat your pie. I always say that with the kids. And yeah, I don't know. Something about Peppa Pig, that joint can be addictive if you really watch it with your kids. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Whatever. So right here, got some cabbage. Tina's not breastfeeding our son, so she wanted to drain her milk. So cabbage is not only good for eating, but it also is good for draining milk. So that helps her. So I got 2 things of cabbage. I got some red onions and some yellow onions. There you go. Red bananas. If y'all been followers, you already know how we feel about bananas. We only eat red bananas. We only eat burro bananas, baby bananas, and top bananas. The regular banana, traditional, the regular size, those aren't real. They don't have seeds. Again, you can follow us and we can go more in detail about that. But we don't eat regular bananas. They're not real. They're fake. And yeah, red bananas. Next, we got some red peppers. Like I said, we got fresh, and I got them frozen for Tina. These are fresh ones right here. You make like use some lentils. I know she did that before. Cut lentils, cut open the pepper, put the lentils in the pepper, and it was like stuffed peppers. That's what it was, stuffed peppers. There we go. See? Yellow mango. You already know what it's for. I have to get my mango. I got a whole bunch of avocados, but I didn't bring them all out. But you know, avocado gang. I don't know who like avocados, but you know, we definitely got a whole bunch of them. They were 77 cents, so why not? Yo, everybody that y'all eat avocados, you know how expensive avocados can be. These were 77 cents, so again, why not? Another one. Lime, for those who's, not everybody, but if you're interested in learning more about alkaline diet, comment below. Again, follow us, but definitely comment below. We can, we're into alkaline, we're like 70-30, 60-40. So, if you have water, if you want to make the alkaline more, if you want to make the water alkaline, you can use some lime. And then help make sure water alkaline. All water aren't alkaline. Some water are acidic. Or some water that says it's spring water isn't really spring water. But again, I'm not going to go into full details. If y'all want, right, it has like a pH level test. You can always test the levels of your test the pH levels of your water and see if your water is acidic or alkaline. Or again, if you don't want to go all to that, I can make a whole video with that. I was thinking about doing that anyway, make a video showing y'all guys what waters are acidic and what brands aren't, like Polar Spring acidic or is alkaline, and Fiji, water that I drink right here, Eternal, right here. So you can do it. You can test your waters out, see if they're alkaline. Next, we got some green peppers. Pepper gang. Told y'all you have to get the peppers fresh, not just frozen. Garlic apples, organic. I don't really get everything organic, but if the skin is like soft, it's good to get it organic. I'm not really. I don't know. Lately, a lot of apples that I've been eating haven't had seeds in it. You know, again, I don't know about y'all, but it had been like seedless apples. I know growing up, I'm not that old. I'm 31. But when I was like 5, 6, 7, I used to eat apples and like the seeds, pluck the seeds out the apples as I'm eating it. And like now it's like, where's the seeds? I don't know. And then last but not least, cucumber. Yeah. Tina likes to cut these up, put it in salad. I like eating them in a salad too. She got me eating cucumbers. I wasn't a cucumber guy before, but now I am. You know, just gotta open your mind. You can't be just closed-minded to different foods. You gotta get the foods a try, and you never know what you might like. Try cucumber today, a little bit today, and then more and more. And like I said in my last grocery haul I did, I was like, they were coconut water. I didn't always like coconut water, but now I do. So, that's my grocery haul. I appreciate everybody for watching. If you're interested in that video, the alkaline video I was telling you to make with the water, if you're interested in me doing that video, definitely comment below. Follow us on Instagram at PeaceLoveVegan420. Facebook as well. We have a Twitter. If you have a Twitter, follow us on Twitter on PeaceLoveVegan2. And yeah, like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.